Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So this week we are going to be decorating envelopes and letters for snail mail. I really love to do this for my pen pals or when I send letters to my family or my friends, and I think that hopefully it will be really useful to you guys in this time of social distancing. So when I show you guys this, most of these methods are using washi tape, so get out your washi tape collections. You can also use duct tape, but I find that washi tape is kind of made for this and it rips really easily, like if you need, to cut it off or whatever. And it's not like too sticky, so it's not like sticking to you and everything else. So I think it's kind of made for paper, is just what I'm saying. So hopefully you guys have some. If you don't have any, you can find this for pretty cheap at the dollar store. Like I'm pretty sure I got these in a pack for $1 at the Dollar Tree in the US. And also I got this, I think I got it on Wish for a couple of dollars, so it's been really useful. They're really tiny tubes, but there's like multiples of each color, and there's a lot of different little samples in there. And then I also got this whole roll. I got it on sale at Michael's. It was $7 Canadian, which is a little more than $5 USA dollars. So I like to find things like this on sale. They also had like a little tub that was washi tape that was all on sale, that was about less than $1 a piece in Canadian dollars, so even less in USA dollars. So yeah, I also just use any stickers or any kind of embellishments that I have. I like to make my own things, which I will show you. And also, like, you can find stickers for really cheap at the Dollarama or the Dollar Tree depending on where you live. So I do like to make all of my crafts affordable for everyone. So even if, I hear a lot of people say, oh, I'm not a really good artist, so maybe people won't want my letters. Well, there's a lot of ways you can spice up your letter without having to do something crazy. Like, you don't have to decorate your letter for people to like it, but if that's something that you want to do, then I want to show you ways that you can do it without having to spend a lot of money or be super creative. So that being said, if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing that I did was take a pair of scissors. I cut the washi tape starting in the corner and meeting into the middle to make this kind of cut. I also used an X-Acto knife in the back to cut the washi tape. I found that I could make a more precise cut without having to use the scissors. It was a lot easier this way. Just don't cut too deep or you're gonna cut into your envelope. Right here I am showing how I cut the washi tape, starting at each corner, meeting in the middle, and then I just taped it and cut it in the back. So now I am working on the letters that are inside the envelope. So I am using some tape that I already used on the envelope to match, and I am just going over the edges. Sometimes I didn't get it exactly straight, so I just peel it right up, and because it's made for paper, it's really easy to peel without ripping your paper. And I use the X-Acto knife to cut it. Later I would find that it was a lot easier just to put newspaper underneath the letters so that way I don't cut my desk. And I flip it and I fold it over. Sometimes you just make sure that you're not covering anything that's important, and then I just cut off the edges as needed. I then folded the letters so that way they would fit into the envelope. Because I used the long envelopes, I blocked out some letters for the name, and then I started trying to find stickers that I wanted to add to the letter. I decided to go with a snail mail theme, which is why I have these little snail stickers. I actually bought these from Sticky as well, but they were not part of my subscription. I also got these from Sticky at the same time as I got the other ones. They are snail mail themed. Thought they were so cute. They are all sticky notes. There is one that says snail mail, and then there are 3 different types of letters. Afterward, I made a couple of stickers just with sticker paper, and then I drew on it and I colored it. I also made this envelope, which I plan on putting all of the stickers inside, except for the snail that I drew because it doesn't fit in the envelope. On the back, I wrote I'm a sticker so they know it's a sticker, and the back is also perforated so it's easy to take off. I also bought these bear flakes on sale at Sticky as well, and I was putting those on every page. I thought they were adorable, and then at the end I realized that they were scented. So I just wrote a little note that says, "Smell the stickers, and I really hope that my pen pal likes them." My next letter, I used two different designed washi tapes, but they were both blue, and I wrapped these around the entire envelope. Then use the same washi tape to make diagonal lines on both sides and use the X-Acto knife to make exact cuts where I needed it to be, so that way the envelope can still open and close. And then I used this piece of paper just to make a perfect rectangle, and this was to write the address inside. Here I am writing out the name, and then I am just blocking it in to make block letters, and then I color in the letters with different blue colors just for a nice little effect. Then I did the same thing as I did with the other one, and I'm using the same blue tape I used on the letter for a border on the letter itself. Next, I put a sticker on the front. I thought it was really cute, and I also started putting stickers on the inside as well. Like I said before, if you have seen my sticky video, then you have seen all of these stickers already. I was super excited to be able to use them, and I hope that my pen pal likes them as well. I also added some sticky notes and some little other extras. This is where I started putting all the little stickers that I wanted to send my pen pal, so you can see them here. Then I put them all in the little mini envelope. I sealed it with a sticker, and I attached them all together with a paper clip. So the next envelope I did, I started by putting strips diagonally meeting in the middle, making a half diamond effect, and I did different colors. I wanted it to be very summery looking, and I really like how it turned out. I don't show the other side, but I did the exact same thing on the other side. Then I started doing the exact same thing I did on the other one, drawing in the name, which was Grace, and then making it into block letters. Afterward, I inked it, and then I colored it. On the back, I did something very simple, and I just put the same colors in strips on the flap, and I used the X-Acto knife to make precise cuts. Here I am just showing the washi tape edges and the different flower stickers I used. That says "Make Today Beautiful," and then that one says "Do What You Love." I also made this little envelope, and here's some little gems I put inside. I thought that would be so cute. There's a little sticker page, butterflies, flowers, very summery, and then I'm just putting them together to fold them in half to fit inside the envelope. Then I'm just putting them together and clipping them with a paper clip. I actually made this by using one of the gems and hot gluing it to a paper clip and just putting a little piece of cardboard in the back to get it to stay. Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end of my video. I had so much fun making this with you guys, and I hope that you guys will try this out for yourself and you guys can show me. You can either comment below the video or you can tag me on social media. All of my social media accounts are below this video. So I'm just going to show you again the final products and a variation. So I had a lot of fun making these with you guys. The first one that I made was this one. It is for a pen pal named Mackenzie. So we have the front and the back. It's not taped yet. I didn't put the address because I don't want to invade their privacy. And we have the letter. I already showed you each page, but I just clipped it with this little paper clip. I made this little envelope out of paper. I show how to make these envelopes on one of my videos. If you haven't seen it, I will link it in the iCards above, so check that out. And I actually already sealed it, so I'm not going to show you what's inside, but it's in the video. I also made my own little stickers. I super love these, so it's just showing that there's lots of things we can do on a budget. So we have that one. Just like to add a few little extras because I think that it makes it special. Then we have our little ocean themed one. Yeah, we have the letter, and here's a little envelope. It actually came with my set from Sticky. I try to show my Sticky collection every month. I will put the last one in the iCards above. I actually didn't show the month of June or July because I moved and I had some issues getting my collection here, but they are on their way, and as soon as they come I will show them both in a video. But I will show my last one, which is May, in the iCards above, so check that out. So this was like a little ocean themed. I added this little duck. I actually made this in one of my other videos. I put that in the iCards above as well. And then I made this one just to Grace, and I really love how it came out. So you guys saw me do this half, and then I also added this half, which I thought made it look really cute. I also did the back, and on accident I accidentally put it upside down. I didn't mean to do this, but I think it's gonna be okay. So I made this little paper clip. I didn't have a lot of fancy paper clips, so an easy way you could do this is just by taking a regular paper clip and hot gluing. I hot glue just a little embellishment that I had, a little gem. Then I put a little piece of cardboard on the back because just to hold it on there. So there's an easy way that these little gems cost me $1 at the Dollar Tree, and then these paper clips I got in a bundle at the thrift store, and you can also get them for $1 at the dollar store. So I mean, you can do fun things that are cheap. And I also made this envelope as well. I already showed you guys what's inside, just check it out in the video, and a little sticker sheet. And the last one, so this one is to one of my longest pen pals. Her name is Ellen. So I covered the entire thing in washi tape. I just left a little blank, and how I did that was I just drew out a rectangle, and then I used the washi tape to fill in all the rest of the spaces. There's actually 2 washi tapes. There's a purple with hearts and a silver. So I really love how this came out. I think that her favorite color is purple, so I was going with that, and I'm just using that to cover the address. I put my return address on the back, so you can always do that if you run out of space. And I did the edges in silver just to match the front. I also did cute little travel stickers, so we have like a little July, or yeah, it's supposed to be like the date that the Eiffel Tower came, and there's like a little airplane and a little like books with a world on it. They're hard to see because they're so small, but they are super cute. I put International Air Post sticker and just little anchor and sunglasses because my pen pal said that she's really missing traveling, and I can feel that. So I wanted to do a little travel theme that would be super cute. And so here's a little light post, a little travel stamp, some little flowers, and some little flip-flops, like a little beach getaway or something. And again, just some flip-flops, a little passport sticker, little flower, and some more little books with a globe. This is my little dog Oreo. you want to be in the video? Do you want to be in the video? Okay. So, the journey begins. I'm not going to show all the little tiny stickers because they are so hard to see. I have a little passport. Here's another some little beach one. Coconut drink. A little bird. I got some books on the other side. I like to do themes when I can, and a lot of the times you can find stickers in themes, so that's nice. A little drink, a little palm leaf, explore the world, and seahorse, little toucan. So yeah, I like to do that if I can. Like I said, you can find stickers in themes, so if you can find other little things you can add, it's easy to do a theme. I made this, I was thinking it'd make a good little bookmark, and it says, "Not all who wander are lost" by J.R.R. Tolkien. I just bought this at I think at Dollarama, and then I just added a little bit of scrapbook paper, just cut it out, put it on there. I also made my little envelope out of scrapbook paper. I added a little beach hat, try to match the theme. So inside there I have more little travel stickers. We can see we have I Heart New York, a bicycle, Paris, just putting my hand back there so it kind of helps you see what it is. Good times, a little boot, little rain boot. So that kind of all came in the same theme. I also just added a tiny little scrapbook paper, which is Paris themed. And then I also made her a little paper clip as well. And if you saw my video where I made these, my friend told me that this one looks like it came from Animal Crossing. I have not played Animal Crossing, but if you've seen this character, you might recognize him. And if you haven't seen my video on how to make these, I'll put that in the iCard above. But my pen pal really loves Animal Crossing, so maybe she will think that as well. So I'm gonna put that in there. So I also just wanted to say, as most of you guys know, if you've watched my channel before, I am an online teacher. You can see my background. So the company that I work for has been a little bit slow lately, which has given me so much time to work on my crafting and everything. Fortunately and unfortunately, the next week and possibly most likely the next month, it's gonna be what's called a peak season, which is whenever the teachers have a lot of classes. So we have classes in the very early morning and the very late night. It's kind of complicated because, I mean, most people, we have things to do during the day, so it means little sleep and a lot of work. I do still plan on posting a video every single week like I normally do, but just want you guys to know it might be shorter, I might miss one, I'm not really sure what's going to happen, but I'm going to do my best to keep everybody updated because I love this channel and I love all of you guys. So I just wanted you guys to know what was going on, and I hope that everything stays the same. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. Your subscriptions mean so much to me. Every time I get a new subscription, I am so excited. And your subscriptions show YouTube that my content is worthwhile so other people can see my content as well. And please, if you haven't, share my videos with your friends, your family, on your social media accounts, because when we hit 100 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. I made a video about the giveaway already, and I will show that in the iCards above if you haven't seen it. And I will be so excited to send that to somebody. And yeah, I just really hope that you enjoyed the video this week. If you have any ideas, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to tell me on social media. All the accounts are linked below, or just comment below the video and I will be happy to hear what you guys have to say. So until next time, bye.